Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're making fried rice that tastes like takeout, crisp, fast and budget-friendly. Want fried rice that is crisp, not soggy, and ready in minutes? You can make it tonight. Fried rice is a quick stir-fry of rice, eggs, veggies and simple sauces. The secret is dry, cold rice in high heat. That is why day-old rice works best. This guide shows a repeatable method, the best rice for fried rice, and how to fix soggy fried rice without stress. You will also get ideas for chicken fried rice and vegetarian fried rice that hit the spot. By the end, you will cook with confidence and save money using leftovers. Essential ingredients and tools for fried rice with big flavor. Great fried rice needs only a few things done well. Rice must be dry so it fries, not steams. Heat should be high so the grains sear and stay separate. Oil should be neutral and safe at high temperatures. Sauces should be simple and balanced, salty, savory, a tiny bit sweet, and aromatic. Aim for texture first. You want grains that are fluffy and a little chewy, never wet. That texture comes from day-old rice and from letting the rice sit in a hot pan before tossing. Flavor layers come from eggs, aromatics, soy sauce, and a hint of sesame. Keep tools simple. A carbon steel wok is ideal, but a wide skillet can do the job. Use a spatula that can scrape and flip. Prepping everything before you start cooking is key because the process moves fast. Sauces should not drown the rice. They should coat every grain. Think like gloss, not heavy puddles. Taste as you go, since soy brands vary in saltiness. Shopping list. Rice, jasmine or other long grain, cooked and chilled. Eggs, garlic, scallions, optional ginger. Veggies, peas, carrots, corn, bell pepper. Protein, chicken, shrimp, ham, tofu, or none. Sauces, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, optional fish sauce. Oil, canola, peanut, avocado, or grapeseed. Seasoning, white or black pepper, optional MSG. What makes great fried rice? Texture and flavor you can taste. Takeout fried rice feels special because the grains stay separate and lightly crisp. There is also a faint smoky taste from high heat. This is called wok hei, which means a light char and aroma from the pan. We want rice that is dry and a bit chewy, never soft or wet. Hitting that mix of texture and light smoke makes each bite balanced and bold. Best rice for fried rice, jasmine or long grain, and why day-old wins. Jasmine or other long grain rice gives fluffy, separate grains. Day-old, cold rice is best because the starch has set and dried. That helps the rice fry fast and brown without clumping. Cooking same day? Spread hot rice on a tray, cool, then chill for 30 to 60 minutes to dry it out. Avoid short grain if you can, since it tends to be stickier and can turn gummy. Aromatics and sauces that do the heavy lifting. Use garlic and scallions for a fast flavor boost with an optional touch of ginger. For sauce, pair soy sauce with oyster sauce, a pinch of sugar, and a few drops of toasted sesame oil for aroma. Swaps work well, tamari for gluten-free, coconut aminos for lower sodium, vegetarian oyster sauce or extra soy if vegan. Season with white pepper for classic taste, or black pepper if that is what you have. Wok or skillet, and the best oils for high heat. A carbon steel wok heats fast and builds flavor, but a wide stainless or non-stick skillet also works. Keep the heat high and cook in batches so the rice can sear. Choose neutral, high smoke point oils like canola, peanut, avocado, or grapeseed. Save extra virgin olive oil for drizzling later, not for frying the rice. High heat plus the right oil equals crisp grains. Step by step, how to make fried rice that stays crisp, not soggy. This method is easy to repeat. It uses high heat, short rests for searing, and a simple sauce ratio. Plan on 4 cups of cooked rice for a family pan. Keep the pan hot and the movements quick. Let the rice sit between tosses so it browns. If the pan looks dry, add a small drizzle of oil around the edge. Sauce ratio per 4 cups cooked rice. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Optional, half teaspoon fish sauce or a pinch of MSG. Taste and adjust at the end, since rice and add-ins can vary. If you enjoyed this version, stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.